Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your How to Android phone answer button not working. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I'm having a growing problem with my phone answering calls. When I tap the green answer button, it doesn't respond, and I have to tap it 3 or 4 times before it answers. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Can anyone help me fix the Android phone answer button won't work issue? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when a green answer button on Android phone not working. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. There is a temporary glitch. The solution here is to hard restart your phone. If there are temporary glitches in your Android phone, these temporary glitches may be the reason why green answer button doesn't work on Android phone. And hard restart can be a good way to eliminate this temporary glitch and run all applications again. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when you see the brand logo. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when you see the brand logo. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when you see the brand logo. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, remove the battery, wait for a while, put the phone back, and then press the power button to start the phone. Wait for a few seconds. The device will start normally. After the restart is complete, test again whether you can answer the call normally. If you can, it means the issue of answer button not responding on Android phone has disappeared. Cause 2. The screen is dirty. The solution here is to clean the screen. If there is dirt on the screen of your Android phone, it may also be the dirt that affects the answer button not working on Android phone. You can check to see if there is dirt on the screen. If so, use a soft dry cloth or wet tissue to clean the screen. Finally, test to see if the Android answer button doesn't work problem still exists. Cause 3. External accessories affect. The solution here is to remove the screen protector and phone case. The screen protector and phone case on the Android phone may also affect the Android phone to answer calls. If the screen protector and phone case are used for too long, it may not respond to the operation correctly. Thus, the problem of Android phone answer button is not working occurs. To solve this problem, please remove the screen protector and phone case correctly, and then try to see if you can answer the call normally after removing them. Cause 4. The system is outdated. The solution here is to check for updates. Outdated software can also cause options to answer calls not working on Android phone. If you haven't updated your software for a long time, then this could be the culprit for the issue of Android phone won't let me answer calls. Therefore, software updates are worth a try. Follow the steps below to try to update the operating system. Go to Settings, scroll down to Find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After the installation is complete, your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on. Finally, test again whether you can receive calls normally. Cause 5. Application conflict. The solution here is to boot to safe mode. Some third-party applications may also interfere with the phone's functions. When you can't answer a call by tapping the green answer button, it may be affected by a third-party calling software. If you don't have a third-party calling app downloaded on your Android phone, it may be affected by other applications. The safe mode is to test whether it is a problem with a third-party application. The safe mode will only load necessary programs and will not run any third-party applications. If your phone can be used normally in safe mode, it means that a third-party application is affecting the phone. You need to find and completely delete the application, and then restart the phone again to see if tap the answer button when someone calls but it won't work is fixed. Here are the specific steps to boot into safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see recovery mode. In the options given in the menu, use the volume button and the power button to select safe mode. Then, your Android phone will boot into safe mode. Cause 6. Unknown impact. The solution here is to factory reset. When the above methods do not work, resetting the phone to factory settings is the final solution. Resetting the phone to factory settings means deleting all the data on the Android phone and returning it to the factory state. If you try this method, the problem of phone rings but can't answer the incoming calls will most likely be solved. As mentioned above, factory reset will delete all the data on the phone. If you need the data in the phone, please back up the data first for subsequent recovery. Now, we will show you how to do it. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. This is an official troubleshooting mode, so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to reset and complete the relevant settings. Retest whether the touchscreen unable to answer calls issue is fixed. Cuz 7. Hardware problem. The solution here is to go for repair. If factory reset doesn't work, there may be a problem with the phone's hardware, such as the phone screen, sensors, etc. To fix answer button that's not working on Android phone, you need to take your phone to the nearest repair center and let the technician help you further check and fix the Android phone answer button not working problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix answer button not working on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.